Hey guys, so today we're doing the throttle body cleanup and cleaning the throttle body. Again, this vehicle has over 200,000 miles, so cleaning the throttle body for this one is definitely central. Um, it just helps get a better feel, get a better air intake to the vehicle, and that ultimately helps the vehicle perform better. So the first step of cleaning the throttle body is just to remove this piece of plastic. Again, I'm not a mechanic, but that's what we'll do. So you'll need a 10 millimeter deep socket wrench right here, and that will basically get all the screws off. So I'll go ahead and take these bolts off here. Now, once you get these two screws off, those will be off. So I'm not sure if all Dodge Chargers have this. I've never seen this before, but basically it's a bracket right here that's holding this down to the engine bay. So at the bottom of this bracket thing are two screws. So to get those two screws off, you will need a 15 millimeter screw, deep socket, kind of, sort of, maybe, I don't know. Again, I'm not a mechanic, but you will need a deep socket screw. There's two at the bottom of the engine. I already got one off, but I can show you how to get the second one off. It is a little bit hard at first to kind of knock it out of there, but once you get it knocked off, you should be fine. All right, so now I have it attached, and again, you will have to use some force, some pressure. There we go. There we go. Put it back here. Again, just take off all the screws. So this is what the inside of the throttle looks like. As you can see, it's horrible condition, horrible condition. We'll go ahead and get that clean. So this is what a dirty throttle body looks like. I mean, it's imperative to really get this clean, have a good throttle body, because this will cause the car to be sluggish, sometimes slow, and sometimes it will kill the vehicle with all this oil and gunk and grease. It will even sometimes stop it from flipping as it should, like that. Throttle body cleaner into it and just wipe it out until it gets really smooth and get all that gunk out of it. See that, man? That's bad. That is bad. That is bad. Alrighty, so it literally took a couple of seconds to just spray that, clean it off, wipe it down, and it is good. It looks almost brand new on the inside. And there is still a little crud there, but that's fine. Same thing here on the inside, cleaned it out. I mean, it's literally smooth, and you'll have no residue or anything like that. I mean, this stuff works good. So yep, about to basically do everything in reverse order, plug and play, and we'll see the difference. All right, so everything's put back fine, everything's good, back to normal. I'm going to now go into the car, reset the throttle body. I will show you guys how to do that, and then take it for a test drive and let you guys know the difference, what I feel, and how it sounds. All right, so this is not a real thing from my understanding. So, but resetting the throttle body of the vehicle basically helps if your car is feeling sluggish, slow, it's not accelerating as fast. I can definitely guarantee you that this method will 100% work and cure some of those issues, or most of those issues. I learned it from another YouTuber, but this is basically what you do. Put the key into the ignition. You're going to turn it all the way on just before the car cranks up. You're gonna notice all of these warning lights are on. Until that Thunderbolt sign gets off, wait till it gets off, or turn off, excuse me. Then that's your benchmark to go. So it's off now. So then you're gonna press your foot down all the way on the gas pedal for about 20 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 25. Okay, I know I said 20 seconds, but I did 25. So you're gonna take the key out of the ignition, and that's fine, it's back to normal. And then you're going to put the key back into the ignition, put your foot on the brake, and turn it on. And you should automatically hear a big difference, especially if it's cold started. Oh man, the thing sounds beautiful like a beast. But all right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this thing for a spin, and I'll let you guys know how it sounds. Why do I have check engine light? That's not normal. Alright guys, so I just reset the throttle body. All the sensors are off. So I'm going to go ahead and run this car, and I'll let you guys know what it's like, when driving. I'm about to get on the highway now. This Mercedes in front of me is going so slow, but I'll try to just go ahead and kick it off for you guys. But this is basically another kickoff of how it feels when you get your throttle body clean. Just a test run. So I've been driving for a little minute now. It's probably adjusted to itself already, but just, you know, turn this way. It's doing just fine. It seems normal. It seems very responsive. It's doing fine. So that's that, guys. That's the video of that, and stay tuned.